Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2020 Volkswagen Golf. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench to take off the positive and the negative post off this battery. Step 1, take off the negative terminal first. Once you get that taken off, step 2, take off your positive terminal. Step 3, there is a battery bracket that is located in the front of the battery itself. You will need a 13mm socket with a long extension to unloosen the bolt to be able to free the battery from the vehicle. There is a bracket that's holding down the battery in this vehicle. It's located directly on the side or in the front. Either way you want to look at it, it's in the video. Unloosen the bolt. This will free the battery from the vehicle. You'll be able to lift the battery directly out of the vehicle. Insert your new battery back into the vehicle itself. Today, for this 2020 Volkswagen Golf, we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery. Battery Guys with a Z! Okay, you want to make sure you want to get that level right back into that battery box. It will fit flush, even right back into it. And this is your first time visiting Battery Guys. If we're adding value to you today, please like the video, subscribe, and share the video. Leave a comment also as well, and let us know how we can improve the channel, add to the channel as well. What we're looking for now is we're actually looking for the hole to put this bracket right back down so we can bolt this battery back down into the box itself. So it's a tight squeeze, so just make sure you don't want to get your hands caught up in anything while you're down there trying to find that little hole to put that bracket back down there flush. You'll be able to put the screw back in there. Then you'll be able to use your 13mm socket with your long extension to tighten up this bolt. And we'd like to thank our new subscribers. We just reached over 100 subscribers this week. Thank you for subscribing to Battery Guys. We definitely appreciate all your support, for liking the channel itself. Share with your friends, because you never know, you might need some help in installing a battery. But we do all kind of vehicles. We do golf carts, we're going to be doing boats, solar, and just subscribe to the channel. We're also going to show you the process too, exactly how we actually recondition the world's best reconditioned battery on a daily basis as well. So what we're doing now, we're actually tightening up that bolt to secure this battery back into the battery box itself. Okay, we're going to put the positive terminal back on first, and we're going to use our 10mm socket or a wrench and just tighten up that bolt. Turn it clockwise until the bolt tightens up itself. And make sure when you have your old battery, make sure you properly dispose of that at your local recycling facility itself. You do not want to dispose of your old battery into the dumpster itself. I know in the state of Florida, there is a major fine for throwing batteries into dumpsters. So you don't want to do that in your state as well. It's all about saving the environment and keeping God's planet healthy and green. So what we're doing now, we're actually putting on the negative terminal, tightening up. And this is how you install a battery in a 2020 Volkswagen Golf.